Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This is a practice video. In this video, you will practice 4 different equations where you will add 2 fractions that have like denominators, and if they end up with an improper fraction, you will convert it into a mixed number. We do have a lesson video where you can go over it if you've forgotten how to do it. Watch the lesson video. It's called Rename an Improper Fraction as a Mixed Number After Adding Fractions. Big title, isn't it? After you watch that lesson video, come back and then you get to practice. We do have 4 slides today. You're going to add the fractions, then convert or rename the answer to a mixed fraction if needed. We basically call this simplifying the answer, making it easier to understand. Pause the video, add these fractions, simplify the answer if needed, and then come back. Rule number 1, when adding or subtracting fractions, is the denominator has to be the same. Always check that. Yes, they are the same. So we're going to put our denominator over here, and then we're going to add 13 plus 1. Is this an improper fraction? I know it is because the numerator is bigger. Technically, a simple fraction will always have the numerator smaller. It's part of a whole number. If that numerator is bigger, there's some whole numbers hidden in there, and that's where we convert it into a mixed number. Now, you can do this one of 2 ways. It's your choice. You can take it and make it into a long division problem. We're going to take 14 and divide it by 6. 6 goes into 14 2 times. 2 times 6 equals 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2. So now I have a remainder of 2, or I can just turn that into a fraction. So here my answer is 2 and 2, 6. Now it is a mixed number. That is correct. But can I simplify the fraction more? I can. I can take 2, 6, and I can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. If you know your multiples really well, on all of your numbers from 0 to 12, these will be easy for you to do without thinking too hard, okay? It's okay if you're not there yet. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So a more simplified answer would be 2 wholes and 1/3. That's as easy as it gets. Hopefully you were able to do that. Let's try another one. 1/4 plus 2/4. Add the fractions, simplify if needed. Pause your video and then come back. I see that my denominators are both 4, so I do not have to do anything there. And I have 1 plus 2, which is 3/4. This is a simplified fraction. I can't make it any easier. Did you find that out? Hopefully you didn't stress too much thinking you had to do more. I want you to take notice of what you have and know when to simplify and when you already have that simplified answers. Sometimes it'll be a fraction, sometimes it will be that mixed number. 13/8 plus 6/8. Add it, simplify if needed, pause your video, and then come back. I have 8 as my denominator on both fractions, so I'm good to go there. I don't have to do anything. Then I have 13 plus 6, and it's 19. I'm going to go ahead and make a division problem again for those of you that need it. 19 divided by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. We're going to subtract, and then we have a remainder of 3. And you can write your remainder like this, like you do in long division, but then when you come over here, you can say I have 2 wholes and 3/8. 3/8, that was the remainder. And basically, I can't simplify that anymore. That's as simple as it gets, 2 and 3/8. Let's try one more. Oh, this one has lots of big numbers in it, doesn't it? You might be using that scrap paper. I think I will too. But I want you to add these fractions and simplify the answer. And it may be converting to a mixed fraction or just simply making that fraction smaller. Pause your video and then come back. I have 16 as my denominator. I don't have to change anything. 21 plus 12. 3 for my 1s and 3 for my 10s place. Did that in my head. Now I'm going to take 33 divided by 16. And I believe I see 2 of them in there. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2 plus, that's a 3. I'm going to subtract, and I have 1 left, so my remainder is 1. I thought this would be a little bit more complicated. It wasn't. We have 2 wholes and 1 over 16, and we know that's simplified. You probably want to practice this some more. I do have some worksheets that you can print off under the video in the description. Lots of different worksheets there. Make sure you practice and you understand how to do this.